Got a GFR file from Genuine Fractals image scaling software? These are specially rasterized images used for high-quality image enlargement. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Genuine Fractals rasterized image files. For those complex GFR formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. GFR files are rasterized image files created by Genuine Fractals, now ON1. Resize a specialized image scaling application. They contain images encoded in a fractal-based format that enables high-quality enlargement to dramatic sizes without typical pixelation used in professional photography for large prints. GFR files use Genuine Fractals' proprietary format based on fractal compression and STN Spatial Transform Network technology, storing image data as mathematical representations rather than discrete pixels. The format enables resolution-independent scaling with preserved detail, following the application's documented specification. The tool most commonly used for creating GFR files is ON1 Resize by ON1. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. The solution starts by inspecting the application list. Right-click the GFR file and choose Open With. Use ON1 Resize as your primary choice. If it fails, select another program. Be systematic in your testing. If your GFR file will not open, do not worry. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening an ON1 Resize. Launch. ON1. Resize the modern successor to Genuine Fractals and open the GFR file through the File menu. The software interprets the fractal-based image data, enabling viewing, scaling, and exporting to standard image formats at desired output resolutions for printing or further editing. Next, converting to standard formats. Use ON1 Resize to export GFR images to standard formats like TIFF, JPEG, or PNG at the desired resolution. This enables continued workflow with the scaled images in standard photo editors, like Adobe Photoshop, providing compatibility with mainstream photography and printing workflows. Finally, using modern scaling alternatives. For ongoing image scaling work, consider current options including ON1 Resize AI, Topaz Gigapixel AI, or Adobe Photoshop's Preserve Details 2.0 upscaling. These tools use modern AI-based algorithms, providing excellent enlargement quality with broader format support than legacy fractal-based scaling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.